Are you curious about the stock market but don't know where to start? Don't worry, today I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to know to begin your investing journey, even if you've never bought a single stock before. Welcome back to Think and Grow Rich. If you're new here, we share simple, practical strategies to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we're covering the stock market for beginners, a complete step-by-step guide. So grab a pen and notebook because this might be the most important video you'll watch today. Step 1. Understand what the stock market is. The stock market is simply a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you own a stock, you own a piece of that company. If the company grows, so does your investment. Step 2. Learn the basics, key terms you must know. Before investing, get familiar with terms like stocks, ownership in a company, dividends, company profits paid to shareholders, brokerage account, your gateway to buy and sell stocks, ETF, exchange traded fund, a basket of stocks you can invest in at once. Step 3. Set your financial goals. Ask yourself, are you investing for long-term wealth, retirement, or short-term gains? Your goals will decide your investment strategy. Step 4. Open a brokerage account. This is where the magic happens. Choose a reliable platform like Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or E-Trade. Compare fees, ease of use, and features before signing up. Step 5. Start small with safer investments. As a beginner, it's smarter to start with ETFs or index funds like the S&P 500. They spread your risk across many companies, making them less risky than single stocks. Step 6. Practice before you invest real money. Many platforms offer virtual trading accounts where you can buy and sell stocks with fake money. This helps you build confidence without losing real cash. Step 7. Invest consistently. Don't try to time the market. The secret to success isn't guessing the perfect time to buy or sell. It's consistency. Invest a set amount regularly and let compounding do the work for you. Step 8. Keep learning and stay patient. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It rewards patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Read books, follow reliable financial channels, and never stop growing your knowledge. And that's it, a simple step-by-step guide to getting started in the stock market. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Think and Grow Rich, and share this video with anyone who wants to start investing. See you in the next one.